guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a tutorial on this really fun bright summer makeup. I really wanted to play with some color, especially on the eyes. I haven't done too much of that on my channel and I love doing this kind of thing for fun. I did try to film this video yesterday and accidentally deleted the first half of my video, which is so sad, but I think I like it a little bit better today. I just decided to refilm it. It's really bright, kind of like a watermelon neon look. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then let's get started. I'm just starting off with my NYX Angel Veil primer to prime the skin. I am going to go ahead and start off with the eyes, so I'm going to use this Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion to prime my lids. I am going to start off with the Jaclyn Hill palette. For the first shade, I'm using the shade right here. This is called Silk Cream. It's a really nice transition shade to start off with. So I'm just taking a fluffy brush and I'm going to go into the crease with that. For the next shade, I'm going to go into the shade right here. This is called Creamsicle. It's a nice orangey toned color, and I'm just going to take this right above my crease. Not too far, but just enough to where it's going to show through the next color that I'm applying right into my crease. Now for the next shade, I'm going to go in with this single eyeshadow from ColourPop. This is called Wait For It, I believe. Yeah, this is called Wait For It, and it's just a really pretty bright, like corally pink kind of shade. So I'm going to go into my crease with this with just a little bit more of a precise blending brush. Just really focus this into my crease. And then I'm going to start to bring this down into my outer corner here. Now I'm just going to go back into the first blending brush I used and diffuse everything out. Now I'm going to go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to use this shade right here. This is called Queen. It's a really pretty, like true gold without being yellow. I'm just going to take my finger actually, and I'm just going to go over the center of my lid. Not bringing that in too far. Now I'm actually just going to go into the Anastasia palette for one shade. I know I'm jumping around kind of a lot here, but this palette has my favorite gold type shade. I really love this for the summer. It's a little bit brighter than some of the golds in other palettes. I really like this shade. I'm just going to do the same thing with my finger and apply this more towards the inner part of my eye, not quite so much on the center. I'm going to go back into that ColourPop shadow just to blend out the crease a little bit. Now I'm just going to take a wipe and get rid of that fallout or excess shadow that ended up on my lower lash line. Now I'm just mixing together two foundations as usual. I'm going to take the CoverGirl Healthy Elixir Foundation and my Maybelline Matte and Poreless. And then I am just going to mix in the Physicians Formula Spotlight Illuminating Primer with that also. I do like mixing this in with my foundations. And then I'm going to apply that with my damp sponge. I'm just going to go in and spot conceal really quick. And then I'm just going to go under my eyes with that concealer. I forgot to mention I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Skin. I'm going to set the under eyes with the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Pressed Powder, also using my sponge to do that. Then taking a small brush, I'm just going to set the center of my face down a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and bronze up the skin with the NYC Sunny Bronzer. I'm going gonna take a more precise brush with a more cool tone powder. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. contour palette, and I'm gonna use the shade right here just to contour my nose a little bit. I'm also gonna take a little bit of this and apply it just under my lower lip. This makes your lip look fuller. I am gonna go over the nose just a bit with the bronzer. Then I'm gonna go into blush, and I'm gonna use the Makeup Geek blush in XOXO. It's really bright, but I feel like with a light hand, we can make it work. This Makeup Geek blush is super pigmented. I'm just gonna go over that with my damp sponge to maybe tone it down a little bit. And then for highlight, I'm gonna use Becca's Prosecco Pop. I'm also gonna go over that with Champagne Pop then, just to add a little bit more of a brightness, because this is super gold. It's almost too deep for me, but it's so pretty for summer. So gorgeous. I'm just gonna lightly go over that with the Becca Champagne Pop. This is a ton of highlight, but I think it's really pretty if you want to do something a little bit more fun and just bright. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and do my brows. I'm just gonna take my Precisely My Brow Pencil and slightly outline my brows where I feel like I need some definition, and then I'm just gonna go in with my L'Oreal Brow Stylist Plumper in the shade medium to dark. Right here in the front of my brows. On the arch, just a little bit. And then right at the tail. And I'm just gonna go in with my tinted brow gel. I just really love the natural effect this gives to my brows. They don't look so sharp and like perfect as when I just fill them in with the pencil. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some shadow to my lower lash line to make this look come together. I'm just gonna use the shade Creamsicle just to start off. And then I'm going to go back into that ColourPop single shadow and wait for it, and I'm going to apply that a little bit closer to the lash line. I'm just going to go into the waterline with my nude eyeliner from ColourPop. I'm going to curl my lashes, and then I'll apply some mascara. I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. Then I am going to apply some half lashes. I have these Ardell Demi Wispies that I just cut in half, and I'm going to apply these to the outer part of my eye. I think it looks really pretty when you just do a half lash. It adds a lot of definition and just really volume, kind of like a subtle cat eye. I really like how it looks, and I just haven't been wearing like full strip lashes lately. I like this a lot better. I am just using my Eyeshadow Companion Lash Glue as usual. If you can see the difference there, I mean, there's like a huge difference in just how much fuller my lashes look here, yet they look so natural also. Now just applying some of that mascara to my lower lashes. Now I'm just going to take a small brush and this single shadow right here from Makeup Geek. This is Shimma Shimma, and I'm going to apply this to my inner corners and brow bone. Now I'm just going to go ahead and apply a little bit of nude lip liner to outline my lips for the lip color I'm using. This is the e.l.f. Line and Blend lip liner in Dusty Rose. I use this quite a bit on my channel. Next I'm going to take a little lip brush with this ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip with Kathleen Lights, and it's in the shade Rêve. I'm not sure how to say that, I'm really bad at it, but it's like a really bright orangey red lip. I'm just using this as a base, kind of to line my lips a bit more. That looks pretty messy, but that's okay. We're gonna go over it with this Maybelline Sensational Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade All Fired Up. This is like a really bright neon-y pink shade, and I think it's pretty, and I think it's gonna look really good with this look, so we're gonna try it on over this lipstick that we just applied. just gonna blot that with a tissue really quick. Wow, so I kind of like that. It's like super bright and fun if you're into this kind of thing. I'm just gonna take my Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray, shake up the bottle a bit, and I'm gonna set my face with this. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this fun summer makeup. Let me know what kind of looks you want to see from me or any video requests that you have at all in the comments down below. I'd love to hear it. And if you like how this look turned out, leave this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!